Hello everyone, Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATV MC coming at you with the engine oil seal kits from Tusk. All right everyone, so today we're taking a quick look at these engine oil seal kits coming from Tusk. So these kits are gonna have all the engine oil seal that you're gonna need to completely rebuild your engine and also your transmission. So that's gonna include your crank seal, your countershaft seal, your kickstarter seal, along with all the other seals needed. And what's awesome about these is that they're made from high quality materials, the direct OEM replacements, and coming from Tusk, you're gonna get an awesome price point. Now, some of the best advice that I can give when it comes to doing any engine work is you wanna make sure you want all the tools and all the parts that are gonna be needed for that specific job. That way, when you start the job, start to finish, you can get done quickly, you can be out having a good time ASAP. So with that in mind, one of the best ways to do that is to pick up these kits, because that way it just gives you that peace of mind that you're gonna have all the parts that are gonna be needed for that specific job. And also remember that going along with this oil kit, we also have our complete gasket kit that comes with all the gaskets you're gonna need for top and bottom. So when you're doing that full engine overhaul, these two kits are gonna have you covered. Now, if you guys have any questions about these kits, you can comment below, give us a call, or chat live online. We'll get your questions answered. And also keep in mind that when you're picking yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. They are machine specific, so enter the make, the model, and the year, and then you'll be good to go. And also guys, here at Rocky Mountain, we pride ourselves on having a lot of really good how-to videos for a lot of specific jobs that give you specific instructions step by step. We tell you all the tools that are needed, all the parts you're gonna need for the job. So if you do have any questions, make sure to subscribe and give those videos a watch, and those are really gonna help you out. I'm Chase here at Rocky Mountain, and we'll see you on the trails.